Hi, this is Dr. Abdul, Physiotherapist. Welcome to my channel. Human anatomy, joint categories. Joints are commonly categorized based on their movements ability. Let's see what are they. Number one is synarthrosis. This type of joints are fixed and don't allow any movement. The bones in these joints are separated by a layer of connective tissue. Examples include suture joints, which hold plate-like bones together in the skull. Amphiarthrosis. This type of joints allows slight movement. This can be found in the joints between vertebrae or the ribs connected to your sternum or breastbone, or at symphysis pubis. Diarthrosis. This type of joints are freely moving joints. Most of our joints are diarthrosis. They are also called as synovial joints because they contain synovial fluid in the joint cavity for lubrication. Thanks for watching. Follow me at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and for any business related inquiry, contact me at dr.abdul.pt@gmail.com.